at ni Jason na merong mga kasamang experts. Diba? Kasi baka mamaya namanod sa akin, nabibili na lang sa mga bahay nila. So, isa pa yan.
Sakripisyo at ibay ng katawan ang kailangan para maging sundalo. Meron kaya nito sina Jason at Nikki? Ito po sa Fernando Air Base, ano po yung mga klaseng training na binibigay natin dito?
This is a basic military training school. The foundations of training is molded on defining the character of the candidate soldier, developing their mental and physical skills.
Oh, and speaking of becoming soldiers, nakita ko for myself dito mismo na hindi biro-biro ang kanilang training, no?
Bago kami tuluyang umalis ng Fernando Air Base, the cadet officers gave us a farewell treat and a few laughs as well. When we return, a test of skills, nakaliligaw na hamon ng bayan, and all the relaxing treats.